All right, today, good day, everyone. I don't know where you are, but good day to you all, viewers. Today, we are going to be dealing with electric kettle. Before us today are two of the electric kettles, according to the client, said they are not working. So, we are going to be doing the necessary troubleshooting on the base and the kettle itself to be sure what and what has issue. So we'll start right away. And let's start with one of the bases, and then on one of them we are going to be running a continuity test and should be sure the cable is okay. Cable the contacts inside is okay. Yeah, let's be sure. So we're supposed to so this is there's a contact here. And hear the sound. Now let's check the second terminal. Let's see. So for this base, nothing is wrong with this base. Let's check the second base. Let's check the second base. Yes, correct. While the other one, this one too is okay. So now we are going to check the kettle. Now, what do we check in the kettle? We are checking the elements, and there are two contacts for the elements, and these are this and this for the elements. So we are expected to get a resistance. Let's do a resistance check on the elements. Supposed to have like maybe 30 or so, 30 ohms, kind of, yeah. But now we are not getting anything. It's not giving us. And let's check the second one. Let's check the second one. This one too is not giving us any value. So meaning that there's problem with the kettle. So what do we do when we are in a situation like this? We are going to lose the 3 screws here, bring out the base, and see if there's a problem with the contacts, with the connection to the elements inside. So just in case, if the element is bad, just in case the element gets bad, or we find out that it's bad, when we find out that the element is bad, that means that there's nothing we can do anymore. We are going to condemn the kettle. The kettle is already condemned. So now let us assume that the reason why we're not getting value was because there was no good contacts to the elements. But now let us read the elements directly. We are reading the elements directly. Do we have any value? No, no value. So this element is gone, and unfortunately we can't do anything about this. So that means this kettle is bad. It's bad. There's nothing we can do about it. Very unfortunate. Now we do the same for this. We do the same for this kettle. Remove the bottom cover that covers the elements, and see if there is anything different. Then are we going to see anything different? Let us check. So we are taking our measurement, our reading directly on the elements. These are the two terminals for the elements, this and this, this and this. So we are going to quickly check that and be sure if it has any issue, if the element has an issue. Now this element is giving us 30, check the screen, it's giving us 38, right? So that means this element is okay, and the problem is now with the connection. So let us check which of the connection has, which of the contacts has issue. This one is okay. So now the only one we have issue it is this. So this is the one that we are going to work on. This one, this terminal here. So let us be sure. Let us on the power button. All right, it's good. So I expect this element to work now. I expect the element to work now because this contacts, there's a link between the switch and this terminal. So until the switch is put on, this terminal will not be connected to this point. So, and I've already done that. Now let us see if there will be a reasonable contact with the let's scroll it back and check if this contact, if it will make a contact with the base, so we'll check that. We're checking that already. And the last screw, now that is done. So now let us bring one of the bases and see if we'll be able to read the elements. So we want to try and see if we can read the elements from here. So let us put this on. The element is not being read. Yeah, it's having a contact. So it's having a partial contact. So it is on now. So obviously this element is expected to get powered on. It's expected to get powered on. You can see the reading on the screen. So the element is reading now from the cable. From my connection to the cable, my reading of the cable means that I'm reading. So if I switch it off, check the screen. If I switch off, it goes to overload. So comes here, comes on, switch it off. So meaning that if this kettle is plugged now, it will work and it will become hot. All right, that's resolved this problem. If this video is helpful to you, if you have learned anything in the repair of electric kettle, please give us a thumb up, a like, give us a like. Also subscribe to our channel if you are new, and if you are not new, we'd like you to drop your comments in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Thank you.